Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Joe Biden in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is earth, and then add water to create plant, and then another plant to create tree. Once you have tree, the next one is we need another tree to create forest. And then once you have forest, you want to go for tree to create wood. And now that you have wood, you can add earth right here and then add wind into earth to create dust. And then once you have dust, add wind to create sandstorm, combine it with wood to create sandal. And then once you have sandal, the next thing is you want to go for the next thing is you want to go for another sandal to create shoe. Once you have shoe, you want to go for fire right here. And then you want to go for another fire to create volcano. And then once you have volcano, you want to add water right here and then another water to create lake. Combine it with volcano, it create island. And then once you have island, you wanna go for volcano right here into island to create Hawaii. Once you have Hawaii, the next thing is you wanna add wind into Hawaii to create hula. And once you have hula, the next thing is you wanna add lake to create luau. And now the next thing, once you have luau, is to simply add water to create tiki. And then once you have tiki, you wanna go for island and island to create continent. And then once you have continent, add lake into it to create America. Once you have America, add Hawaii to create Obama, and then add it into Tiki to create Barack Obama, and then you want to add it to Shu to create Joe Biden. So that is basically it.